channel. Like, comment, subscribe. Yes, sir. Hey man, what's good with y'all? It's AO Whips and hold on. Yes sir, check me out. But yeah, I'm back in Houston. I went to Dallas, made some videos. I got to meet like Real 2 Real, Milesy, all of them out that way, and they're pretty cool people. I got some videos with some of them, especially Real. We took over the highways, but like I said, the computer is still down, okay? Computer is still down. It ain't working, so yeah. It's gonna be getting fixed Monday when I get back to Ohio. But I mean, I'm telling you, I do got videos. Hey, I do got videos coming soon. This is just one of them, you know, a little sneak peek. Oh man, but yeah, a little sneak peek, you know, with Real 2 Real, my guy. Yes sir, but hey, I'm telling y'all, videos are coming soon for sure. Don't trust me, they coming. Hey, and shout out my guy, Cars Across Texas. Yes, sir. We lit. He shouted me out. Hey, he's a cool guy in person for sure. They show love out Houston for sure. But yeah, videos will be getting posted soon. Just wait. I'm telling you, they coming for sure. Hey, Whips, we out. Like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy the videos. Hey, I got a lot of content coming soon. But yes, we lit. Hey. Wow.